Single-day recoveries of COVID-19 patients are surpassing daily COVID-19 cases for past several days. India reports more than 500 deaths in the last 24 hours with a total toll reaching 85.7 lakhs. Congress ridicules CM over his complaint that someone is extorting him, says it is CM complaining to Home Minister, but both are the same person. Infrastructure and maintenance in the Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary is only in name. People criticize state of disrepair in the area. I'm Anjali and now the news in detail. The single-day recoveries of COVID-19 patients are surpassing daily COVID-19 cases for past several days. India reported more than 45,000 COVID-19 cases and more than 49,000 recoveries from COVID-19 in last 24 hours. However, more than 500 deaths were also reported in the last 24 hours. The total toll has reached 85.7 lakhs.
A single-day jump of 45,674 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In the last 24 hours, 559 deaths were reported and 49,082 patients have recovered. India has reported 85,07,754 COVID-19 positive cases till date. 1,26,121 deaths are reported and 78,68,968 patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst state coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 17.14 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Karnataka 8.44 lakh, Andhra Pradesh 8.40 lakh, Tamil Nadu 7.41 lakh and UP 4.95 lakh. More than 6 lakh cases were reported worldwide in single day. The global cases have reached 5.26 crore, 12.56 lakh deaths are reported and 3.55 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 95.04 lakh cases, followed by second worst hit nation India 85.7 lakh cases, Brazil 56.33 lakh cases, Russia 17.53 lakh cases and France with 17.48 lakh cases. Bureau Report Goa 365.
The year 2020 has been a testing time for all, but the new year 2021 will bring us new hope. Indians will see a potential COVID-19 vaccine in the mid-2021. Now, the Union Health Minister Harshavardhan said that the centre is aiming to provide the COVID-19 vaccine to almost 30 crore Indians by August-September 2021.
4 categories have been demarcated to be administered the COVID-19 vaccine in the first phase. Those are, firstly, healthcare professionals, frontline workers, senior citizens and special category people. There are 4 potential COVID-19 vaccines undergoing trials in India. First is the indigenous vaccine Covaxin, developed by Bharat Biotech and ICMR, undergoing phase 3 clinical trials, followed by Oxford's vaccine Covishield by the Serum Institute of India and Zycov-D vaccine by Zydis Cadila. Also, Russia's Sputnik 5 vaccine will soon undergo trials by Dr. Reddy's lab. They have received approval for phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trials. Here's how the vaccine will be immunized in 4 categories under the first phase. 1 crore health workers, MBBS students, doctors, nurses and ASHA workers, frontline workers. 2 crore frontline workers, municipal corporation staff, cops and army. Senior citizen. 26 crore senior citizens above 50 years of age facing high risk to the virus. Special category people. 1 crore people below 50 years of age with comorbidities. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Kankona is a beautiful place and it is a place where the Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary is located, which is mind-blowing. However, in many areas, development and maintenance of infrastructure is only in name. Goa 365 has been looking at these issues throughout the state. Here is one.
काणकोण तालुक्यातलो सगळ्यात ग्रामीण भाग जर खंयचो आसत जाल्यार तो खोतिगांव वायल्ड लायफ सँच्युरीतलो. आणि ह्या खोतिगांव वायल्ड लायफ सँच्युरीज म्हणजे खोतिगांव पंचायत वाठारांत जो मुख्य रस्तो आसा ह्या रस्त्याच्या पुरायपणान 3 तेरा जाल्ले आसा. खास करून खोतिगांवच्या मुख्य पंचायतीकडे पावतासर हांगासर जो मुख्य रस्तो आसा सुमार तेका 3 धाकटी ब्रिजां आसा आणि ह्या ब्रिजाच्यो संरक्षण भिंती जवळजवळ 2 ते 3 वर्सां जाले कॉलॅप्स जायत आसा आणि दर वर्सा हे कॉलॅप्स जावपाचे प्रक्रिया म्हणजे प्रोसेस तो वाडत आसा. तरी पूण गव्हर्मेंट हाजे कडेन अजिबात लक्ष दिना. जेन्ना जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंटाक विचारता किंवा ऑफिसर ऑथॉरिटीक विचारता तेन्ना तेन्ना ते सांगता की सदांच आपण इस्टिमेट केला फॉरवर्ड केला, इस्टिमेट केला फॉरवर्ड केला, इतलोच तांचो डेव्हलपमेंट. आणि त्याच बरोबर आतां ह्या वर्साक तर जेन्ना ज्या ज्या जाग्यार अशा तरेचे कालवे आसा ते कालवे आतां दोनी सायडीन खसोवन पडपाक लागला. आतां हो मणे भमड हांगासर आशिल्लो अशाच तरेन हो कालवो खसोवन पडला आणि हांगासरलें उदकूय ब्लॉक जाला. त्याच बरोबर ही रस्त्याची धड जी आसा सामकी डेंजर जाल्ली आसा.
सध्या ती परिस्थिती पुराय कोसळून वचपाची जडीर पावली आहे. ते सरकार तेजेर कांयच लक्ष दिना. बारीक बारीक मुशी सुद्दां त्यो कोसळून ती एक मणी तेजे उदक वचपाचो पाटाची ती सध्या हें जावन सायडीन ते एक लोकणी ते पायप घालून दवरले आहे. आनीक तेका जर पायप घाल डायरेक्ट पायप जर घाल जाल्यार मोठेलो तेजी ते काम जाता. पूण तेजेर सरकार कांयच लक्ष दिना. ते सध्या ते आडोवन दवरला. वर्कट सगळी ते माती कानासतना सोडून गेले. कॉलवट बांदला सायडीन ते माती कानासतना ते सामकी डेंजरस जागला. गाडी दोन जर गाडी येयली जाल्यार एक सायडीन ती पडपा सारकी परिस्थिती करून दवरला. तेका माती घालून जर हें केलें जाल्यार लेवल केल्यार ते सारकी हें जाता आसलें. लोखण पुलाची सकल्यान पळय जे हें आसा न्हू सगळी लोखण दिसता. आमी कित्येकदां पेपराचेर दिवन तेजेर हें केल्यार तेजेर कांय सगळी दुर्लक्ष जाल्लेलें आहा. खोतीगांव भागांत तर म्हाका दिसता ह्या PWD म्हणटा ते खाती सामकी हलगर्जीपण करता.
कित्याक लागून निग्लेक्ट करता दिसता तुमकां?
आतां कित्याक लागून तें आमकां हें ना. सरकारूय बी तेजेर कांय हें आमी परत तेजेर पेपरांनी वर्तमानपत्रांनी खुबदां हें दिलें बातमी. मातशी कितें करताय आनी ते सोडून वयता. एक पुला हें केल्यार दुसरी पुला सोडून दिताय.
गोवा 365 खातीर काणकोणांतल्यान देविदास गांवकर.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Tongue in cheek, no doubt, but it is nevertheless true. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant complained to the Home Minister Pramod Sawant that he has been threatened. GPCC President Girish Sorankar charged on Sunday, making a point about the law and order situation in the state.
Girish says that in case the Chief Minister filed such a complaint, then what is the state of the common people? The Chief Minister said that he had received threats, messages extorting money. Accused is said to have sent obscene abusive messages to the Chief Minister and also threatened to kill him. Panji police have registered an FIR against unknown persons. Watch.
So Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawantan, Home Minister Dr. Pramod Sawantakade कंप्लेन केली. की म्हणून Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawantak धमकी येऊन खंडणी. आता एक जर मुख्यमंत्र्याक खंडणी मागपाची मेसेज येता आणि तो मुख्यमंत्री वयता आणि होम मिनिस्टराकडे कंप्लेन करता. चीफ मिनिस्टरान थाबोटी विचार करपाक जाय आशिल्लो की आपूण ह्या देशाचो मुख्यमंत्री, ह्या राज्याचो मुख्यमंत्री आणि आपूण होम मिनिस्टर. कसली कंप्लेन फायल करचे पयलीं तुवें धापावटी विचार करपाक जाय आशिल्लो ताचो इफेक्ट गोंयच्या राज्याच्या लोकांचेर कितें जातलो. ही तेणे एक्चुअली कंप्लेन करून बेजबाबदारीपण दाखयला, पॉलिटिकल इमॅच्युरिटी दाखयल्ली आसा. कारण जेन्ना मुख्यमंत्रीच कंप्लेन करता की आपल्याक धमकी येयल्या खंडणी मागपाची, तर गोंयच्या सामान्य जनतेन कोणाकडेन वचपाचें हो पयलो प्रश्न येता. हेचे पयलीं मुख्यमंत्र्यान खुबश्यो कंप्लेनी थ्रेट्स येतात, प्रायम मिनिस्टराकूय येतात, पूण ते पब्लीक डोमेनाक घालचे पयलीं तेजेर सेक्युरिटी कडेन दृश्टींतल्यान, लोकांच्या दृश्टींतल्यान तेजेर विचार करप आसता. आनी म्हाका दिसलें ह्या मुख्यमंत्र्याची खूब भुरगेपणां दिसली. तितून जी एक मॅच्युरिटी दाखोवपाक जाय आशिल्ली मुख्यमंत्र्यान. खुबश्यो गजाली मुख्यमंत्र्याचे नजरेक येतात आपल्या स्वताचे, पूण ते स्वताचे जिवा परस ते लोकांचेर चिंततात.
The Congress on Sunday marked Vishwasagar Day to mark the 4th anniversary of demonetization. The Congress criticized the decision, saying that there is no clear picture between the demonetization and why it was done and if there was any use from it.
आमकां सांगलें गेलें की कितलेशे हजार कोटी ब्लॅक पयसो हातूंतल्यान भायर सरतलो. आनी जेन्ना फिगर्स आयली तेन्ना लक्षांत आयली की जे पैसे आशिल्ले ते सगळे पैसे पडले. ब्लॅक पैसो खंयच मेळ्ळो ना, ब्लॅक पैसो नाशिल्लो.
हो एक स्टेटमेंटूच हांव तुमचे मुखार हाडून दवरता. तर त्याच्या नंतर पंतप्रधानान एक स्टेटमेंट केलो, गिव्ह मी 50 days, बर्न मी अलाइव्ह इफ आय एम रॉंग. आणि खंय उजगाला आपल्याक चौकाचेर धरून आपल्याक उजला. कोणे सांगले? पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीन जेन्ना ताका ते सगळे आंगार येता ते कळ्ळें, हे फेल जाला म्हणून कळ्ळें, तितून काय अचीव जायना म्हणून कळ्ळें, तेन्ना नरेंद्र मोदीन सांगलें आपल्याक तुमी जितो आपल्याक उजो घाला चौकार दवरून. हांव म्हणना आनी हांव मागना की ताका हे तेणें सांगलेलें तें करा म्हणून, कारण 4 वर्सां जालीं.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back, and here is some news about the weather. The weather in Goa will remain dry till 12th of November with fog or haze likely to prevail in morning. The sky will remain clear and it will turn partly cloudy in evening. The minimum temperature will be 24 degrees Celsius and maximum will be 35 degrees Celsius.
Maximum temperatures were above normal all over the state. The maximum highest temperature of 35.2 degrees centigrade was recorded at Panji and Daboli. There was also no large-scale change in minimum temperatures over Goa. The minimum temperatures were normal, the lowest minimum temperature being 24.7 degrees Celsius and recorded at Panji. Goa Bureau, Goa 365.
And for some sports news, the 14th edition of Hero I-League will kick off on January 9th, 2021 in Kolkata. 11 teams will need to enter the biosecure bubble 14 days prior to their first match.
The schedule and SOPs will be announced shortly. No spectator will be allowed inside the stadium during a match. Owing to the pandemic, the previous edition of Hero I-League had to halt abruptly. Football action only resumed in India through the Hero I-League qualifier 2020 in October. All 11 teams will face each other once in the first leg. Then they will be divided into 2 different groups. The top 6 teams, as per points table, will face each other once again to decide winner. The other 5 teams will play against each other in a one-leg league format. The team with maximum cumulative points collected from all 15 matches is the winner. Goa 365 Bureau.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app both on Android and iPhones and keep watching Goa365.